Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka third Sohra International Half Marathon Araja Arpasau kanlong haka arpui tarik nailur Araja Arpasau ha Sohra. Ya kani kecinya kop mare ka bahap hapo ka jingkmi da Athletics Federation of India on penlong da ka Meghalaya Athletics Association, ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association, haringkat ka jingkar shanlang da ka tanat ya lekai jong ka sorkar jela. Ki kerdan ya lekai kani kecinya kop ki kentup ya ka arpui kilometer Elite Open nak Bynta ki bakat prasnam shaneng kumju ka arpui kilometer open nak Bynta ki bakat prasnam shaneng 10 kilometer open nak Bynta south postnam hadu san postnam 10 kilometer open nak Bynta san postnam hadu 100 postnam bat ka san kilometer run for fun nak Bynta ki kenthei bat shenrang kani ki jinga kop kan sedang na light so plia sha jingking mau kudok bat ban penkut ha mau smai ha no sni thiang falls viewpoint hadu bakut jong ka jing pendung kerteng Kiladan Palat New Hajar Ngut kinong mare kiban Ïashim mentah kani kecing kop bat kani kalalong arsha nak balong usnam balala kindon ru hanyo ngut kinong yelek kai kiban Nabari kiba kentup yalai ngut na Kenya ar ngut na Ethiopia bat ar ngut na Bangladesh kajing penlut nak benta kani kecing kop kanong ar kelur lai lak tingka bat lapen kre yaki kusnam nak benta baro kinong job
tang run for fun dengan san haja san spa propulai di mare ga thong bisa si 10k 21k ilong aja si spa san pulai baro ina mare ga new spa la dinle je ni along mo arsha jing wan ri nomare minchin snam Bynta snam ni la bo basang ni pon resiteng nanti la soplia but ya kan run for fun bro ya pasang basang flow ya kan nang bakarundon ke jimbet mari mentah untuk sang resiteng along ka jinga kra andre kalau besnat pada jing cinta ni Sohra kami sebelum dalam buku ada Sohra ni run for fun itu mina khas Sohra hi cara Presbyterian School naru hak ko tarik naru chpauji hadu sauji dabar wagna mare ya wan koi thik saw shiteng khado e samji gabas ade min ma nunu ma yabe ko bastan klo ma ti jenga ko fasopia nang bagi ya be wan kham tani traffic Sohra ni ko wa bastan klo ma tasne Wajib mare gabung di kategori la increase di sipoki lalu di haprasnam senang hadu umre posnam senang di kelas tu hingga jika lo kia dengan ini kerpapa iman ala kuat pian Sohra wa mentasnam minum air nuru jimba breakfast alami naslo min air jimba hanti abut amal smai aku pun jaga cimere, nama kum kita kanun nila anai ciban, nama mereka baru ahi ulah putri apa kum wan ba nadu unme hadu lepas step. Isya kita ahi ini. Baru mereka jaga sanki, pihak mereka pihak kami isya kita nila ahi ki lebih tahu insya ki betul Ïashim Bynta. Jadi kemudian di nyabet di tempat di bawah di Muslim di tanah ada seperti ada tersulut stay banding pada harus dia banyak kesan di mereka di banding mereka tentang di Islam di mereka di bawah dan kalau kita ada lahannya sebab kalau ini dia juga Sohra itu pun dia tempat ada seperti ada di negara dengan bahasa Melayu mungkin sebab yang kita bahas seluruh sebab dia Muslim yang nomor baru. Jadi selalu di prize money berarti senari dia itu di gift aspa tadi, tak apa pun itu aspa sendal, aspa itu. Ya ini di cipta oleh aku kilometer. Terus cinta kalau kita sertai yang aku plus kalau kita jadi mungkin kita masih nomor ikan dah nomor tertentu. Untuk advertisement saya dalam sahaja, aku boleh itu kan di Instagram nanti, maka punya aku mengenai mereka anda ni di mana nanti, mungkin namanya Tewhat, bagi ya, train tentang jumlah orang universiti buat kan Sohra ini.
Good at first sight, sufficient fund has been earmarked for the organizing of this international event in Sohra. Also, for successfully organizing these events from the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, an organizing committee has been notified recently. And last week, on Friday, we had convened meeting with the subcommittees of this organizing committee in the presence of the officials from MOS, President and Secretary. And it appears that everything is in place. All the subcommittees has been activated and already functioning. We are also in constant touch with the stakeholders, with DC, with STO Civil, and with the police to coordinate in all aspects. So it appears that the system is in place, and we are confident that we will be successfully organizing this third Sohra International Marathon. That is all from my side. Thank you.
This is the third time we are continuing with the Sohra International Half Marathon, which is 21 kilometers, and also 10 kilometers and run for fun. And we are also extremely the Meghalaya State Olympic Association in collaboration with the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs and the Meghalaya Athletic Association. And this, as you know, the run is also recognized, licensed by the Athletics Federation of India, and which is also affiliated to the World Athletics. So this is just the third, and we are extremely grateful to the government of Meghalaya for supporting this very, very important marathon. It is not just a marathon, but it is a way of expressing the health and fitness issues in our state, and we're very Elkanah Rodo from Kenya, who completed the run in 1 hour 6 minutes. There was another Indian runner who was not behind, became second. In the women's category, Renu Singh, she won with a timing of 1 hour 10 minutes. So we hope, hopefully with a huge participation this time, we will have participants to break that record and improve the benchmark.